Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox decals. First, you need to understand the fundamental requirements for decal images. These images should generally be in a square aspect ratio, suitable for various in-game applications. Always ensure your content aligns with Roblox's community guidelines. This prevents any issues during the upload process. Preparing your image correctly is the first vital step to a successful decal. Once you have your concept, open your preferred image editing software. You can use programs like GIMP, Photoshop, or even basic online editors. It is crucial to resize your image to a square aspect ratio, for example, 512 by 512 pixels, for optimal display. After editing, save your image as a PNG for transparency or a JPG for general use, ensuring a clear and crisp result. With your image prepared, head over to the Roblox website and click on the Create tab. On the left side of the Creator dashboard, you will find the Decals section. Select this option to begin the upload process. Click Choose File to select your image, then give your decal a meaningful name that accurately describes its content. This name helps you find it easily later. After uploading, your decal enters a moderation queue where Roblox staff review its content. This process ensures all visuals adhere to community standards, usually taking a few minutes to complete. Once approved, your decal becomes available in your decals inventory. To use it in Roblox Studio, simply copy its asset ID and paste it into the texture property of any part or object you wish to customize. This brings your creation to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.